Hello. Halo, tukaj Ksenija. Kako vam lahko pomagam?
Hey there, Crazy K. What's going on with you?
Jaz sem Ksenija. Smem vprašati, kdo je na telefonu?
Yeah, my name is DJ Mark of the Dark, and I'm going to be DJing your daughter's wedding.
Okay.
And she said that we should chat about the playlist a little bit.
Ko ti mene zakličeš zato, da mi poveš, da se moja hčerka ženi za mojim hrbtom?
She said you had some concerns.
Ne samo, da imam pomisleke, to sploh ne more biti res, ker moja hčerka se ne ženi za mojim hrbtom.
Oh, apologies. Sorry, just trying to be polite.
Ti niti slučajno nisi vljuden. Nekdo me kliče, ki ga sploh ne poznam in pravi, da se moja hčerka ženi za mojim hrbtom in da mi ona tega ne zna povedati.
That is sweet.
A se ti delaš norce z mene?
I'm sorry. I was just trying to be polite about the cousin getting married. That is awesome. I love to hear people in love. Get it? Love, love. It's a double shot of love coming your way.
Okej, da, jaz sem popolnoma zmedena glede najinega pogovora, ampak da povej mi, kakšno muziko te igraš ti?
I'll be playing some of the best stuff. You're talking the 80s, 90s, today, tomorrow, yesterday, Tuesday, next week even.
Jaz želim vedeti specifično glasbo, ki jo ti igraš. Zares me zanima specifična vrst tvoje glasbe, ker niti slučajno ne mislim poslušati kakega ogabnega repa.
Hey now.
Kaj hej now?
Hey now. There's some good rap songs out there. We don't have to put all those in the bag, do we?
Pa ne, no, kaj je s tabo? Tukaj se gre za romanco, za ljubezen, za družinsko zadevo.
I got you right there. I'll see your rap music and saying it's not about romance at all, and I'll lay a little Nelly on you, hot and her. It's getting hot in here.
Hej, Mark,
Yes.
absolutno ne boš prevajal nobene take pesmi, ki pravi oblačila doli sebe.
I think you're missing the fun.
Ne, to ni več zabavno. Če te ne bo moja hčerka odpustila pa nagnala od tam, te bom jaz prvi sekundi vremi. Mark, šutnila te bom vrit.
Whoa, hey. Wouldn't be the first time I've been fired from a DJ gig. I used to have a morning show in Tampa.
To, moj bog, sploh se ne čudim, verjamem, da boš zelo hitro končal svojo kariero.
We did this funny thing. Let me tell you a little bit about it. I'd be like, good morning. And we would do fart noises on the tins.
Ne, dragi moj, to je zelo ogabno končalo.
I'm just telling you about my radio show I had back in the 80s.
Pa da jebeš ti tudi tvojih 80, če so nagrožne, kaj te s tabo, je to od moje hčerke poroka, ti bi pa zdaj tu nekaj, kaj si nor?
Lady humps. My bumps, my lovely lady bumps. Check 'em out.
Jaz sem zgrožena, pa kaj takšnega še nisem slišala v svojem življenju.
You're a Paul, I'm a Mark.
Kaj? Pa kaj ti kreten res misliš, da si zabavna? Kaj pizati materna?
If you think I'm sexy and you want my body.
Ti si katastrofa, DJ, ti ne boš prišel na nobeno poroko moje hčerke.
Ooh, I'll have you know, I've been called one of the best DJs in the country.
Pa kdo te posluša, ti sam sebe?
Did I tell you about my morning show in Tampa?
Ne, tega pogovora je konec, ti si uradno odpuščen.
Then I should probably tell you you got a phone prank to the face right now.